So we're back. So we are now in multiplication of polynomial. So we have here problems 1, 2, and 3. So multiply 3x squared plus 6x minus 5 by x plus 7. And number 2, multiply x squared plus 9x plus 10 by x squared plus x plus 4. And number 3, multiply 2a minus 3b minus 8c by 4a plus 7b minus 3c. So let's do this. Okay, so let's proceed to number 1 problem. Multiply 3x squared plus 6x minus 5 by x plus 7. So first, we're going to have this part, copy 3x squared plus 6x minus 5 times x plus 7. So we're going to multiply. So first, this x times 3x squared, that is 3x cubed. X times 6x plus, the result is 6x squared. And x times negative 5x, that is 5x. Next, 7 times 3x squared, that is aligned here, 21x squared. Next part, we have 7 times 6x, you are going to align plus 42x. And 7 times negative 5, that is 35. So you're going to add. So add this part, you have 3x cubed plus 27x squared plus 37x, negative 5x plus 42, that is 37x minus 35. So that is the result of this multiplication. So in order for us to check, okay, so but this does not prove that the answer is correct, but this is just mere checking, because if somewhat like your answer is incorrect, it would not have the same result with the assigned number. So let us have x is equal to 2. So since that is multiply, so we have 3x squared plus 6x minus 5. So you're going to multiply it by x plus 7 should equal to 3x cubed plus 27x squared plus 37x minus 35. If we're going to substitute the value for 2 here, any number, real number except 0, so we have multiply 3 squared plus 6 times 2 minus 5 times 2 plus 7 is equal to 3, 2 squared plus 27, 2 squared plus 37, 2 times 2 minus 35. So this will become 2 squared, 4 times 3 plus 12 minus 5, that is equal to, this is 12 plus 12 minus 5, 5, that is 24 minus 5 is equal to 19. And this is equal to 9. So, in this equation, we have here 2, this is cube. So, 2 cube, 8 times 3, that is 24, plus 2 squared times 27, 4 times 27, that is 108, plus 37 times 2, that is 74 minus 35. So we have here 24 plus 108, 74 minus 35, that is equal to 171. So therefore, if we're going to multiply, 19 times 9 is equal to 171. So 19 times 9, 171 is equal to 171. So your answer is correct. So based on the checking, when you assign x is equal to 2. So we are now in problem number 2. Multiply x squared plus 9x plus 10 by x squared plus x plus 4. So copy x squared plus 9x plus 10, then x squared plus x plus 4. You're going to multiply this. This is x raised to, first multiply x squared times x squared, x raised to 4, and this would become plus 9x cubed, and this would become plus 10x squared. So x times this part plus x cubed, and this would become 9x squared. 10x times 10 plus 10x. So the next part, 4 times x squared, that is 4x squared. And this is 9x plus times 4, that's 36x. And this is 4 times 10, that is equal to 40. So you're going to add, so align x4 raised to 4 plus 10x raised to cube plus 10 plus 9 plus 4, that is equal to 23x squared plus 46x plus 40. So this is the result when you're going to multiply. So by checking, we could still have the checking here. So again, we're going to let x, any number, have same 2. Okay. So we have here x squared plus 9x plus 10 times x squared plus x plus 4 is equal to x raised to 4 plus 10x cubed plus 23x squared plus 46x plus 40. So dapat po, when I multiply the result of this part times the result of this part is equated to the when you let x is equal to 2 here also. So we have 2 squared plus 9 times 2 plus 10, that is equal to 2 squared 4 plus 18 plus 10, that is equal to 32. So multiply it by 2 squared plus 2 plus 4, the result is 4 plus 2 plus 4, the result is 10. So when you're going to substitute here, so we have here 2 raised to 4 plus 10, 2 raised to cube plus 23, 2 raised to squared plus 46 times 2 plus 40. So is equal to 2 raised to 4, that is equal to 16, plus 2 cubed, that is equal to 8 times 10, that is 80, plus 2 squared, that is equal to 4, times 23, that's equal to 92, plus 46 times 2, that is equal to 92 plus 40. If we're going to add this part, we have here 16 plus 88 plus 92 plus 92 plus 40, it will yield 320. So if we're going to multiply 32 times 10, so it's equal to 320 is equal to 320. So again, so this result is correct because when we check, we have an equal number. 320 is equal to 320. So we are now in number 3. Multiply 2a minus 3b minus 8c by 4a plus 7b minus 3c. So a line here, 2a minus 3b minus 8c. Multiply it by 4a plus 7b minus 3c. So we have first multiply. So we have here 8a squared. Next, 4a minus 3b is equal to negative 12ab. Multiply 4a minus negative 8c, that is minus 32ac. Next, 7b times 2a, that is 14. So we're going to align to the same variable. So plus 14ab. 7b times negative 3b, that is equal to negative 21b squared. So since wala po dito, we're going to make an alignment here, 21b squared. So 7b minus 8c, that is equal to minus 56bc. Next, we have negative 3c times 2a, that is equal to negative 6c. So align po dito sa 6ac. So 6ac. Then negative 3c times negative 3b, that is equal to positive 9bc. So maghanap po tayo ng bc here plus 9bc. Then negative 3c times negative 8c, that is positive 24c squared. So plus 24c squared. So we have 8a squared. You're going to add this part. So you have plus 2ab because greater ang kanyang number. So this part, you have 38ac minus 21b squared plus 56bc plus 9bc is equal to 47. This is minus 47bc plus 24c squared. So we are going to arrange it one from descending order. So starting with 8a squared minus 2b squared plus 24c squared. Then add this part next, plus 2ab minus 38ac minus 47bc. So this is the final answer for this part. So in checking, you can still check this part by substituting. So you're going to let a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 3. So first multiply 2a minus 3b minus 8c. So times 4a plus 7b minus 3c is equal to 8a squared minus 2b squared plus 4c squared plus 2ab minus 38ac minus 47bc. So you're going to substitute here. So 2 times 1 minus 3 times 2 minus 8 times 3. So multiply it by 4 times 1 plus 7 times 2 minus 3 times 3. So equal to 8 times 1 squared minus 2 times 2 squared plus 24 3 squared plus 2 times 1 times 2 minus 38 1 times 3, then minus 47b here is 2 times 3. So if we're going to simplify that one using calculator, it could be a case of calculator. So we have here negative 28, and this is 9, and this is negative 252. So negative 28 times 9 is the same as negative 252. So negative 252 is equal to no 252. So check. So this is the checking. So therefore the answer is correct. Okay, we are now in division of polynomial by we're going to use long division. So we are going to use long division. So let's have divide x cubed plus 5x squared minus 8x minus 12 by x minus 2. And divide x raised to 4 plus 5x cubed minus 13x squared plus 10x minus 8 by x squared plus 7x plus 3. And divide a cubed minus b cubed by a minus b. So divide x cubed plus 5x squared minus 8x minus 12 by x minus 2 will make use of long division method. So here, x minus 2. So divide here, x cubed plus 5x squared minus 8x minus 12. So first, x cubed divided by x. So you're going to align here, that is x squared. So x squared times x, that is x cubed. X squared minus times negative 2, that is negative 2x squared. So subtract. So if we're going to subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. Plus, this will become negative, plus, and plus. So the sign for x cubed, that is equal to 0 because x cubed plus negative x cubed is equal to 0. 5x squared plus 2x squared. So the result is 7x squared. So bring down 8x. So 7x squared divided by x, the result is 7x. So align here in the x. So 7x divided times x, that is 7x squared. 7x times negative 2 is negative 14x. So same procedure, subtract, then change the sign of subtrahend. This will become positive, becomes negative, and this is positive. And proceed to addition. So 7x squared plus, this will become negative 7x squared, then negative 8x plus positive 14x. So the result is 6x. So minus 12. So again, negative 8x, naging plus na po ito at plus 14x. So the result is 6x minus 12. You bring down 12. So 6x divided by x, so this will become plus 6. So 6 times x, that is equal to 6x, and 6 times negative 12, that is negative 12. So if we're going to subtract, okay, change the sign, plus, this will become minus, and this will become plus, and change the plus. So this will become 0. So therefore, no remainder. How to check this one? To check this, we have dividend is equal to quotient times divisor plus the remainder. To check this one, we have to assign the values for x. So let have x is equal to 1. So dividend, so our dividend is equal to x cubed plus 5x squared minus 8x minus 12 is equal to the quotient. So equals to the quotient. The quotient is equal to x squared plus 7x plus 6 times the divisor, which is x minus 2, plus the remainder, which is 0. So if we're going to assign this one, 1 cubed plus 5, 1 squared minus 8 times 1 minus 12 is equal to 1 squared plus 7 times 1 plus 6 times 1 minus 2, that is plus 0. So still done. Okay, so this will become 1 plus 5 minus 8 minus 12 is equal to 1 plus 7 plus 6 times negative 1. So if we're going to add 1 plus 5 minus 8 minus 12, that is equal to negative, okay, plus 6, negative 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. So negative 8 minus 12, that is 20 minus 6, that is negative 14, is equal to 1 plus 7 plus 6, that is 14 times negative 1. So therefore, negative 14 is equal to negative 14. So check. So the answer is correct. We are now in number 2. Divide x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 3 minus 13x squared plus 10x minus 8 by x squared plus 7x plus 3. So we're going to divide here. So we have here x squared plus 7x plus 3 divided by x raised to 4 plus 5x cubed minus 13x squared plus 10x minus 8. So first is you're going to divide x raised to 4 divided by x squared. So this is x squared. So align here, x squared. So x squared times x squared, that is x raised to 4. X squared times 7x, that is equal to plus 7x cubed. X squared times 7x, x squared times 3x is equal to plus 3x squared. So next, change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. If this is plus, this is become negative, and this is negative, and this is negative, and proceed to addition. So this will become x raised to 4 plus negative x raised to 4 becomes 0. 5x cubed plus negative 7x, because this is negative, right? So negative 7x cubed, the result is negative 2x cubed. So negative 13x squared plus negative 3x squared, the result is negative 16x squared. Next part here, you're going to bring down 10x here. So negative 2x cubed divided by x squared, the result is negative 2x. So negative 2x times this part, x squared, is negative 2x cubed. So negative 2x times 7x, that is negative 14x squared. And negative 2x times 3, that is negative 6x. Next, we are going to have subtract. Okay, subtract. Then change the sign of the subtrahend. Then proceed to addition. So this becomes plus, plus, and plus. So therefore, this is plus. So 2x, negative 2x cubed plus 2x cubed, that is equal to 0. So negative 16x squared plus 14x squared, this become plus now. So therefore, they have negative 2x squared. So negative 2x squared, that is the result of negative 16x squared plus 14x squared. So next is 10x plus 6x, that is equal to 6x, 16x. So we have here minus 8. Okay. So first, okay, so next we have negative 2x squared. This will become minus 2. So negative 2x squared divided by x squared, that is negative 2. Negative 2 times 2x squared, that is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times 7x, that is negative 14x rather. 14x. So negative 2 times 3, that's negative 6. So you're going to subtract, change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So negative 2x squared plus 2x squared, it becomes 0. So we have here 16x plus 14x, we have 30x. So negative 8 plus 6, that is negative 2. Since the exponent of this binomial, or the result of this, is lesser than x squared, So we could not proceed with another step. So therefore, we could say that this is x squared minus 2x minus 2 plus the remainder of 30 minus x over x squared plus 7x plus 3. So this is now the result when you divide here. So in this case, we could be able to check. So we have here, we're going to have let x is equal to 1. So we need to substitute because dividend is equal to the quotient times the divisor plus the remainder. This is how to check. So dividend is equal to x raised to 4 plus 5x cubed minus 13x squared plus 10x minus 8. And the quotient is x squared minus 2x minus 2 times the divisor, which is x squared plus 7x plus 3 plus the remainder of 30x. This is 30x minus 2 rather. 30x minus 2. So substitute the value for this part. So 1 raised to 4 plus 5 raised to 1 cubed minus 13 1 squared plus 10 times 1 minus 8. So equal to 1 squared minus 2 times 1 minus 2 times 1 squared plus 7 times 1 plus 3 plus 30 times 1 minus 2. So if we're going to substitute this one in this result, so this is 1 plus 5 minus 13 plus 10 minus 8 is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 2, that is equal to negative 4 minus 1, that is negative 3, times this is 1 plus 7 plus 3, that is 11, plus 30 minus 2, that is 28. So 1 plus 5 minus 13 plus 10 minus 8. So the result is negative 5. So this is negative 3 times 11. Then you have to add plus 28. So negative 5 is equal to negative 33 plus 28. So negative 5 is equal to negative 5. So therefore, the answer is correct based on our checking. Okay, so let's proceed with number 3. Let's go to number 3. So divide a cubed by b, a cubed minus b cubed by a minus b. So in this case, so we are going to write a minus b divided by a cubed divided by a minus b. So first, since makikita natin na may a at b siya. Let's put first a cube here because we know already when we multiply here, mayroon siyang ab na variable. So let's start with this part, a cube. So a cube divided by a, that is a squared. So a squared times a, that is a cube. A squared minus b, that's a squared b. So subtract, then change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So we have here a squared b. So a squared b divided by this part, okay, a. So this will become a b. Because a squared, mawalan isang a, then remain po ang b. So a squared divided by a, the result is ab. So you are going to multiply it back. So 8b, that is a squared b. So next we have here ab times b, that is minus a squared b squared. AB, A times B squared. Okay. So minus, this is plus, and this is plus, naging minus siya, at plus. So this would become A, B squared. Again, from here, A squared B divided by A, the result is AB. So AB times A, that is A squared B. So AB times negative B, that is negative A B squared. So change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. Plus naging minus, minus naging plus, and add. So this is A B squared. Then since meron po tayong B squared na tato, so understood, maging sunod niya ay B cubed. So you can now bring down here. Because understood, naging B squared na siya. So A B squared divided by A, so plus B squared. So B squared times A, that is A B squared. So B cubed times negative B squared times negative B, that is negative B cubed, is equal to, subtract, change the sign of subtrahend and proceed to addition, negative. So plus, the result is 0. So therefore, the result now is A squared plus AB plus B squared. So if we're going to check, same process. So let us have A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. Okay. So we have here dividend is equal to the quotient times the divisor plus the remainder. So the dividend here is A cubed minus B cubed. So we're going to substitute here A 1 cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to the quotient. The result of the quotient is A squared plus AB plus B squared. We're going to substitute A squared plus 1 times 2 plus 2 squared times the divisor, which is A minus B is equal to 1 minus 2 plus the remainder, which is 0. So multiply here. So this is 1 minus 8 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 times negative 1. So negative 7 is equal to 7 times negative 1 times negative 1. So therefore, negative 7 is equal to negative 7. So check mo siya. So therefore, okay po ang ating result. That is our answer. Alright, so I just want you to learn about our discussion. So I would like to test your learning about our discussion. So this time, try this. So at home. So good luck and God bless everyone. So perform the following operations. Quantity of x raised to 6 plus y raised to 6 divided by the quantity of the product of the sum of x plus y and x minus y. So God bless everyone. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you would have to answer the question. Please comment there on the box. Thank you and God bless.